Anyone can do things when it's easy. It's when it's really, really tough and you do not feel like doing it on a certain day. That's the real making of somebody. That's the character building of somebody.
Let's go. I'm fired up, no holding back. I'm fired up, no holding back. Naturals.
See, greatness isn't a singular note. It's a harmonious blend of discipline, of intentionality, of resilience. So what will your masterpiece be?
What will I be giving up? Is that worthwhile? Is that worthwhile?
What am I giving up and was it worthwhile? If you can answer, especially with the big parts of your lives, hand on my heart, yes, that was worthwhile. That to me is a deeply fulfilling existence. You answer enough times no though, and you're going to get to the end of your life and wonder what it is.
All right, this one's for you, Quebec City. Je suis somebody, je ne mérite en bleu. Je suis somebody, je ne mérite en bleu.
When it comes to reference points, here's the structure for it. It's past, present, and future. Who I was, who I am, who I'm becoming. Disassociate from my past, I associate to who I am, and I align to who I'm becoming next.
Give yourselves a round of applause, that was epic!
What's really, really important now is you determine what instruments am I going to utilize, how much of each am I going to utilize, and maybe more importantly, what am I not going to do? What am I going to get rid of? What am I going to let go of in order to be able to fully focus? Enjoy the rest of the conference. I really appreciate your time. Thanks, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Cameron Atlas!